Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the Hazet 2140-4 hammer set in Jumbox. This 4-piece set is designed for the professionals, featuring the Blue Guard machinist's hammer with a robust 300-gram head and a 500-gram option, perfect for every job. The plastic hammer and rubber hammer ensure versatility, while the steel handle protection sleeve offers unmatched safety and durability. Made in Germany, each tool is crafted to withstand the toughest conditions. With replaceable heads and a hickory handle, you can trust Hazet 2140-4 to deliver precision and power every time. Why settle for less when you can have quality that lasts? Grab your Hazet 2140-4 hammer set today. Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.